Hello, friends. This is Khushbu with you. I believe that whatever the situation is, keep smiling, be positive, stay alive, and live your life happily. Good evening to everyone. Today I'm here to discuss something about the word called relations. Isn't this word now is losing its identity in today's world in all the generations we are living right now? When a kid is born, when a child is born, he is inherited with all the relations with birth, like mother, father, grandparents, sister, brother, and many more. Only the one relation we have the right to choose, that is a partner, a true soulmate. That all is marriage all about, choosing the right person and take vows with him or her to spend the entire life happily. But do you think that in today's world, does marriage has its real meaning alive? I think no. People are forgetting what does the marriage mean. In our Indian culture, it's said when her girl and a boy they are getting married, at the time of their marriage, all the Devi, Devtas, and even the gods in the form of Agni Dev, they virtue the witness, their presence, and they bless the couple for not only one single life, but the bond is unlimited, unbreakable for the next 7 lives together. They want, they wish that to be with their soulmates. But why? Why, if this is true, marriages are getting broken nowadays so frequently without there is no worth of marriage nowadays in the generation. It's so simple to break the relationship. It is no longer the unbreakable bond. It's very weak. It's not that much strong. Is Do you believe that marriages are made in heaven? Is it true? If yes, then why do one sign? Why do one sign at the time of divorce decides the fate of a husband and a wife and the children related with both of them? Can you do justice with those children that this is not your father or a mother anymore because you have just signed a divorce papers? Do you convince your heart, the person with whom you spent many years, believing him, dedicating your life to him, is not your husband or wife anymore? Why? If in our Indian marriages are so strong, then why there is no process, no wars, no any process for the separation? Why? There should be some process like we had for our marriage, because at that time we believe that God is blessing us. So do the God is blessing us at the time of the divorce? Is it? No, he is not. So why there is not the process? Because our heart, even the God, does not understand the human being. Only by the one sign, one verification, is that the end of a marriage tenure. So, what was the marriage? It means all the vows which we taken together to be with each other in each and every situation. Was that fake? Was that not true? Was not that real? Is this we are passing to our next generation, to our kids? This is a question not to you, but to the entire society nowadays, for whom divorce is only a word. Like, if you are not chilling together, we are not compatible, you are breaking up the marriages. Why it was not before? It Ask the question from yourself, because our society has made there are two face. Every coin has a two face. Like this, our society is not just making double standards. Once we say marriage is an unbreakable bond, we are soulmates. Soulmates means attached with a soul. On the other hand, either we like or we don't, we follow our blood relations which cannot be broken, then why there is an option for a marriage to break? Why it a husband and wife can be apart? Why it can't be the unbreakable bond as a father and a daughter and as a mother and a son? Is kindly do justice with it. Don't spoil the life. Either if you marry someone, then take a promise within yourself to just believe that marriage, believe in you to make it successful. Don't give up. Try. Give, nurture it with love. All what you need is love. That will be inherited in your kids as a true bond. A loving mother and father are the true mirror of every kid which they see in their husband or in their wife. So don't let a sign decide your fate. Marriages are successful. Only we need a little effort in which we need in all the relationships. Please guys, don't break it. Just close your eyes, listen to your heart, work hard on it, put your efforts. All what you need is love, dedication and commitment. Thank you.